Did you know spider silk is stronger than steel by weight? A single strand can stop a flying insect mid-air. Spiders don't go to engineering school, yet they build perfect webs over and over again. They never measure, never rehearse, but every web is a masterpiece of symmetry and strength. So how does a spider know where to place each thread? And why is its silk so incredibly tough? Spider silk is made of proteins called spidroins. When released, it transforms from liquid to solid instantly. This transformation happens as silk exits the spider's spinnerets. The result? A fiber 5 times stronger than steel. Some threads are sticky to trap prey. Others are dry and elastic to hold the shape. Spiders use their legs to measure distance precisely. Each movement is guided by instinct, not eyesight. Even blind spiders build near-perfect webs. Their brain has a hardwired blueprint for weaving. Different silk types have different jobs. Dragline silk supports structure. Capture silk sticks the prey. Spiders recycle their silk by eating old webs. That way, they never run out of material. Their webs absorb energy, like shock absorbers. This prevents tearing when prey hits at full speed. Researchers are studying spider silk to make body armor. It's light, flexible, and stronger than Kevlar. One day, your clothes or buildings could be spider silk inspired, all thanks to the 8-legged engineers of nature.